Hello everyone, this is Janelle Clue of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. All right folks, this video is a very important update about the employment-based I-485. That's employment-based adjustment of status, okay? What's this important update? Well, USCIS has announced on their website that there is, quote, an exceptionally high number of employment-based visas available this fiscal year. What does that mean? Okay, so that means that until the end of this fiscal year, until September 30th of 2022, there are an exceptionally high number of visas available for green cards, particularly in the EB1 and EB2 category. That's employment-based first preference, employment-based third preference. In fact, USCIS says that there are more visas available than they have pending applications. So that means that USCIS, they're in fact inviting people to do interfiling, okay? So what am I talking about? That is when you have your I-485 pending in a particular category, say for example, EB3, employment-based third preference. However, you have a I-140, an immigrant petition that is eligible for either EB1 or EB2. USCIS is inviting you to request to transfer the basis of your I-485 from one I-140 in one category to a different category, all right? So that there are various ways that this is expressed. Either it's called interfiling, okay? Or sometimes it is an upgrade petition, okay? As I said, maybe you have a petition in the EB3 category, but you can qualify for an upgraded I-140. In fact, they've even have an address specifically for these interfiling requests. So if you look in the description to this video, you will see that address in Montclair, California, where USCIS is inviting people to send these interfiling requests. Okay, so here's a really important Lojo tip for you. And that is when you are doing the interfiling request on your pending I-485, use the form I-485 Supplement J, the Sup J. Why do I say that? All right, the Sup J is important for two reasons. One, it actually gives you a receipt so that you know USCIS has received this transfer request. Okay, you know it, because the thing is, some people had already been writing to USCIS requesting the transfer of the basis of their I-485, but if you use a Sup J, you'll actually get a receipt notice from USCIS. By the way, there is no filing fee for the Sup J, okay? The other reason why using the Sup J is important is it is also a way for the sponsoring employer to confirm that in fact they do still have the job available, because there's people who perhaps they've been waiting for a long time for their priority date to become current, and this employer might have filed this petition or the accompanying labor certification years before. This is the employer's way of confirming that the job actually is still available to you, okay? So if you have questions about how to do an interfiling, okay, or what it means for your particular pending application, then please reach out to us here at Lojo Immigration. You can find us on the web at www.lojolaw.com. Folks, if this information has been helpful to you, give the video a thumbs up, share. There are other people who need to hear about this. Click to subscribe and look out for more videos from Lojo Immigration. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.